shark. Pop, pop, bubble pop. Let's blow bubbles, ready, start. Baby shark in the ocean blue. Found a wand, shiny and new. Dip it in and blow it slow. Wow, so many bubbles. Go, go, go. Pop, pop, bubble pop. Floating up, they never stop. Big and small, watch them fly. Color bubbles in the sky. One big bubble, oh so round. Lifted baby off the ground. Uh-oh, mommy, help me please. Floating high above the seas. Mommy shark just laughs out loud. Wave your fins and don't be proud. Pop, pop, bubble pop. Up you go and never stop. Wiggle, wiggle, down you drop. Splashy landing, bubble pop. Daddy shark says let me try. Blows huge bubbles to the sky. Grandma shark makes rainbow ones. Grandpa shark, 10 at once. Pop, pop, bubble pop. Family fun that never stops. Round and shiny, big and bright. Bubbles dancing left and right. Baby shark blew one too fast. Uh-oh, it grew super massive. It covered fish and coral too. Even Daddy shouted, woo! All together, clap, clap, clap. Bubble burst with a giant snap. Up, hop, bubble pop. Silly bubbles never stop. Laugh and splash and dance around. Bubbly fun is what we found. Now the bubbles drift away, shiny at the end of day. Baby shark waves with a smile. Let's blow bubbles one more while. Pop, pop, bubble pop. We had fun, it's time to stop. Clap your fins and sing along. Bubbles make a happy song. Beep, beep, what's that sound? Dr. Shark is coming around. Sniff, sniff, cough, cough, oh no. Ocean friends are feeling low. Baby shark puts Dr. Cap. Let me check you, tap, tap, tap. Fish is sneezing, ashoo. Dr. Shark, I need you. Check, check, what's the plan? Dr. Shark is helping fans. Stethoscope, listen slow. Don't worry, you will glow. Jellyfish says, I feel weird. All my glow has disappeared. Baby shark gives bubble tea. Drink this now and feel free. Sip, sip, feel alright. Medicine makes everything bright. Ocean hospital on the way. Dr. Shark is kind and brave. Crab comes running super fast.
Don't worry.
My shell is cracked. It didn't last. Dr. Shark says hold on tight. Wraps it up just right, just right. Fix, fix, patch it up. Healing magic in a cup. Clap, clap, feeling new. Dr. Shark is here for you. Octopus says I'm so confused. All my arms are feeling loose.
Okay, I'll try. Thank you.
Baby shark counts 1, 2, 3. Tidy arms, now you're free. Twist, twist, all okay. Doctor saves the ocean day. Giggle, giggle, funny sight. Everything is feeling right. Suddenly big whale goes boom. Too much sneeze inside the room. Baby shark runs super quick. Time for my big doctor trick. Gives cool sea bubble spray. Will says I feel okay. Crisis done. Dr. Shark save everyone. Clap your fins and cheer out loud. Healthy ocean, happy crowd. Beep beep, Dr. Fun. Baby shark has saved was fun, ha 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 ha. 5 baby sharks hiding one day. Do-do-do, do-do-do. Where are you? Come out and see. Come out, do-do-do-do. 5 baby sharks hiding one day. Do-do-do, do-do-do. One hid behind the big red coral. Mommy shark looked. Oh, where are you, my little coral? Out came the first baby shark with a cheeky smile. Oh no! 4 baby sharks hiding one day. 4 baby sharks hiding one day. Do-do-do-do-do-do. One hid in the green seaweed sway. Mommy called, come out and play. Out swam the second baby shark, wiggling away. 3 baby sharks hiding one day. Do-do-do-do-do-do. One hid inside the old shipwreck. Mommy peeked in. What the heck? Out popped the third baby shark. Surprise attack. 2 baby sharks hiding one day. Do-do-do-do-do-do. One hid under a big shiny rock. Mommy found him. Tick-tock, tick-tock. Out came the 4th baby shark, laughing non-stop. 1 baby shark hiding one day. Do-do-do-do-do-do. He hid so well, Mommy couldn't see. She got worried, where could my baby be? Then suddenly, out came the last baby shark with a big grin. Big happy end, all 5 baby sharks together at last. Hugging Mommy super fast, they swam and played the whole day through. Best hiding game, thanks to you. Wow! 5 baby sharks hiding was fun.